Hello friends, today I selected this Rajastani man picture to draw. This is my first trial. It is okay, but I want to give one more try. First I started from eyes, then slowly I am trying to draw the remaining picture. You can start wherever you feel comfortable. When I saw this picture I decided to draw because I like the eyes, mustache and that turban, so I want to create it on the paper. First I hesitate to draw, again I motivate myself, just draw. Friends, whenever you want to draw any picture, you don't hesitate, don't focus on the end result. Just draw and accept the result, whether it is okay or not. Everything depends on accepting. When we accept what it is in front of us, then we know what is the next step we have to take to move forward. It applies in every area of our life. When we accept the reality, then we know what to do and what not to do. Unfortunately, most of us are not ready to accept the reality. When it comes to drawing, why most people don't even start is the fear of accepting the end result. So, that is why they don't even give a try. But observe the children who create whatever they like and how happy they are while creating it and how happy they are with their drawings. Let us be like them. Let us draw like them. Let us enjoy the process. Progress is on the way. These are my thoughts to share with you for today. Friends, if you like to draw but hesitate to draw, take your paper and pencil. Just start. Set aside at least 10 minutes a day. 10 minutes per day. Friends, thanks for listening to me. Let me know how is my drawing and my thoughts, and please share your thoughts also in the comment section below. If you like this video, if you like to join in this art journey, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Paint and Talk. Happy drawing. Enjoy the process. Hello friends. Today I selected